everybody, in today's video I'm going to use a product from Uncle Funky's starter called Bye Bye Buildup. I've not used this specific co-wash before, but if you want to see the co-washing process as well as my end results, stay tuned. I'm going to start by applying a generous amount at the roots, working the product in all the way to my ends, and then massaging it all the way through, making sure that my hair is completely saturated with the product. Once I know my hair is saturated with the product, I'm going to take my Demon brush to detangle, and then I'll rinse my hair with cool water to remove the product. I can repeat that if needed. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. I'm definitely loving the results from this co-wash. Alright, I just finished co-washing my hair, and from the detangling process, which I like to do in the shower when there's product in my hair, it made my hair super soft and easy to detangle. So there was a lot of slippage with this product. I'm able to easily run my fingers through my hair. So I still have that slippage. My hair is still nice and soft. So it feels really good. I don't feel any like leftover product or buildup from my previous style. So definitely feels really nice. It feels really good. Let's go ahead and get started with the styling process. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the Curly Magic. I've been using this for all of my styles recently. And I can just kind of feel if I need to apply more. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Demon brush again. So now let's install the Cornrow. It's not too tight, but it should give me some nice definition. Okay guys, my hair is all set. I'm actually going to sit under the dryer for probably an hour and a half to 2 hours just to make sure that my hair is all the way dry. So I will come on and show you all the final results. Hey guys, it's the next day. Hopefully my hair is completely dry. I did sit under the dryer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and coat my fingers with the Shining Star just to minimize any frizz, and let's see what these results look like. So this is the result, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I cannot wait to hear your feedback, and if you have any questions, you can leave those below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!